say in my country, Joyeux Noel. That means Merry Christmas. Now, do you know who I am? Oui, je suis le Pere Noel, Father Christmas. I am the good spirit of this season. It is joy for me to see all of you in such good spirits. Now, I have another question for you. Have any of you, or your petit enfant, have you ever written a letter to my friend Santa Claus at the North Pole? Ah, bien, you good big people, you admit this too. This is good. Well, in France, if a child writes a letter to me, Pere Noel, and puts a return address on the envelope, the French government pays the postage on my reply. Not bad, eh? I get so many letters. I would like to share with you one of my favorites. It comes to me from a lovely little girl named Babette, who lives with her old Uncle Louis and her brother Francois on a farm near Le Beau, in the mountains of Provence. A letter, it will give you a bit of the flavor of the holiday season in France. Écoutez, listen. Dear Père Noël, even though my brother Francois says Christmas is for babies, I look forward to la vie du petit Jésus and a visit from you. And of course she does. The watch night of Christmas Eve, the watch night? The watch night is a magical evening when my family and I sit in front of the fire, sipping hot cider, and Uncle Louis tells the story of the birth of the baby Jesus. She goes on to say that her big brother teases her about all this. Oh, that Francois. He does not believe in Christmas. He does not believe in Père Noël. But for me, nothing surpasses the magic of the watch night, and the fragile beauty of a child's face on Christmas morning. Alors, with Christmas still several days away, Uncle Louis secretly decorated the tree, and Francois helped Babette to set up the crèche. You know this word, crèche? The nativity scene, one of the most important symbols of Christmas to the French, even though it was invented by an Italian. Saint Francis of Assisi, he's okay too. Now, you know the figures that go into the crèche, yes? Mary and Joseph, the wise man, the little drummer boy. Where Babette comes from in Provence, the statues, what makes for the nativity, also include people from your village. The baker, the priest, little figures made out of clay called Saint-Ton. That means little saints. And Babette's wish for Christmas last year was that she would get yet another Saint-Ton to put into the nativity scene, as if he too was going to worship the baby Jesus. It's a nice custom, no? Last year, Babette was finally old enough to go to midnight mass with Uncle Louis. Oh, it was very beautiful. As Uncle Louis carried a newborn lamb to the priest to symbolize the Lamb of God, and then put it into a little cart for Babette to pull around the church for everyone to see, with shepherds playing flutes and drums. And after the mass, they go home for the réveillon, the big supper. Who likes to eat at Christmas time, huh? Who likes to eat all the time, huh? Well, the French are not different. Last year, for the réveillon, Babette, she had roast goose, pâté, les fromages. Oh, les fromages. Sounds very fancy, no? It means cheese. And for dessert, they had bûche de Noël, a cake shaped like a Yule log. Even Francois likes that one, magnifique. Then Babette put the little Santon and the baby Jesus into the crèche. Et enfin, the last she does before she goes to bed is to set out her shoes for me to fill with treats and goodies.
You guys want to go?
Last year, Babette was a little devilish. This is the shoe I find near the fireplace with her name on it. If this is Babette's shoe, she's a grandhead, eh? A Bigfoot. Next morning, Christmas Day, Babette. She jumps out of bed. She rubs her eyes. She wakes up Brother Francois to go with her to see what I have put under the tree. Oh, Francois, he takes his time. He does not believe in Christmas. He does not believe in Pere Noel, remember? But when the children go to the tree, they discover an amazing thing. Not one, but 3 Santons. 2 more even than my little friend had wished. Only one is carved to look like her Uncle Louis. Another looks just like Doubting Francois. And another looks just like sweet little Babette herself. She concludes her letter. So, you can see, I think Christmas is a very magical day. All I wish is a Christmas tree, Santon, and you, Pere Noel. Love, Babette. It is very sweet, no? And that, mes amis, that is a small taste of a French Christmas, seen through the eyes of a delightful little child. A sneaky one, but a delightful one nonetheless. I have just received a letter from, can you guess who? Francois. He emailed me this morning. So, I think he believes in the Père Noel. Just a little bit too, huh? And what about you? Do you believe in Père Noel?
Oh yeah.
Bien, do you believe in Christmas? Très bien, then say with me, Merry Christmas in the language of my country. It is Joyeux Noël. Un, deux, trois, Joyeux Noël. Très bien. Music to Père Noel's ears. A Joyeux Noël, everyone.
You too.
Ah, merci, vous êtes très gentil, merci. Oui, ça fait